To set up Credit Karma, start by going to the Credit Karma website or downloading the mobile app from the App Store. Click on the Sign Up button and enter your email address and create a password for your account. You will then be asked to provide some personal information including your name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is used to verify your identity and provide you with access to your credit report and score. Credit Karma uses encryption to protect your data and does not share it with third parties. Once you have entered your personal information, you will be asked to answer a series of security questions to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, you will be able to view your credit report and score, which are updated weekly. Your credit report will show your credit accounts, payment history, and any negative marks such as late payments or collections. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that ranges from 300 to 850 and is calculated based on your payment history, credit utilization, and other factors. Credit Karma also provides you with tools and resources to help you improve your credit score, such as credit monitoring, credit score tracking, and personalized recommendations. You can also use Credit Karma to monitor your credit card accounts, loans, and other debts, and to get alerts when there are changes to your credit report. To get the most out of Credit Karma, make sure to check your credit report and score regularly, and to take advantage of the tools and resources available to you. By following these steps and using Credit Karma regularly, you can take control of your credit and improve your financial health. Credit Karma is free to use and does not require a credit card to sign up, making it a valuable resource for anyone looking to manage their credit and improve their financial well-being.